In this tutorial, we will see what to do when just having received the device brand new, so out of the box, and have charged the battery, if present the battery, or plug it to the cord, and the power on with the button that is present in the rear side of the device. So the screenshot is this. He is trying to connect to the demo network, Wi-Fi network, because this is the default network that he knows. And we can see that there is a problem because there is no demo network by the moment active. So he is trying, repeating many times to attach, but this indicator, this LED, red with 1, means that there are troubles with the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now we see what to do, how to proceed with the initial startup, so the initial configuration of the crucial vital parameters. First of all, we have to go in the setup menu. So we reboot the unit just tapping the power on button again on the rear side. So one click. So press config, and now we are. So we go to the system menu, the parameter configuration, and yes, it's confirmed the network that he is trying to attach is demo. And here we have to insert the name of the Wi-Fi network that is available right now in the house or in the building where we are. So we can put the proper name of the network. Here the network is demo 2. Okay. And here there is the password. This is the default password, but we have to input the right one, whatever it is. So I leave this because the demo 2 network has this one like password, so we can proceed, we can skip on. And okay, this is another vital parameter, is the home latitude. So we have to teach the device where we are, and if there is no GPS module inserted, we have to manual input that information. So for instance, we can suppose to be in another town. So I put 41.02. This is an example, but you have to locate yourself and find the proper data to put in, like latitude and longitude. So just to understand that the latitude is north referred. So the positive values, like this one, 41.02, without any sign, it means that is north 41.02. Should be on the other side, I mean in the south side of the latitude. I have to put the minus before. So we proceed with the OK. On the longitude, again, we have to know which is our location longitude, and we input it. So for instance, this one, like an example, 14.03, and it means 14.03 north. East, because it is east referred. So this is the longitude. Should be in the west side. I have to put the minus sign before the number. So we proceed with OK. The pause, the cycle pause, it means that the system stops every time he downloads automatically the data from the server. Then it parts them and shows on the display and then stops. The duration of the stop is this parameter, the cycle pause, and now is 15 minutes. I can leave it, but we can really change from minimum to 5 to a maximum of 13 minutes. So I skip by the moment. This is the alarm threshold distance in kilometers. What does it mean? The alarm distance is the criteria that define an event, an earthquake event, to be alarmed or not alarmed. So in this case, by the moment, every event that is distance from me by 200 kilometers or less, okay, it will target as alarmed. It will be shown on the display with a red row. I can leave this one by the moment, but we can change whatever we want from 0 to 999 kilometers. So by the moment I skip this. This is the alarm magnitude. This is another important concept. The alarm magnitude, by the moment the default value is magnitude 4.00. So it means that every event that has been previously targeted as alarmed, should it be also with a magnitude equal or greater than this one, the 4.00, okay, then this is will enable the criteria to raise a system alarm. System alarm, it means that there is a sound, there will be a sound like a kind of siren, okay, that will warns me about that particular circumstance. So by the moment I can leave this, but really we can choose whatever we want from 0 to 10 of magnitude, and this is the trigger that will raise a device general alarm. So by skip, okay, that's it. So by the moment our vital parameters are loaded, so we wait for the system to reboot, and then it will try to attach to the demo 2 network, that is the one that is really up in this moment in my house. And okay, we see that the LED turns to green from red. It means that everything is going in the right way. And now the device is handshaking data from the server. Okay, that's it. He downloads the set of the first information. I remember that by default, the data mode of presentation by default is the alarm first. The alarm first means that, first of all alarmed events will be shown on the display. And really we can see that they are all red colored. It means that they are near to me 200 kilometers. You can see here is the alarm distance. AD 200 means that the threshold is set to 200. We solved that before, just before. And in fact, they are all nearest to me 200 or less. And they are all targets as alarmed. Additionally, we can see for each event the name of the town of the region where the earthquake occurred. Campi Flegrei is a location near Vesuvio volcano. The magnitude 4.40 is really medium intensity. The distance from where I am, I suppose to be really near there, so 22 kilometers is a very low distance. And in fact, for this reason, the alarm, the system general alarm, has been raised. The third LED, the LED number 3, has become red colored. And should I enable the sound effects, I would hear the siren trilling. And so by the magnitude descending, as in the alarm, the first way of presentation data, they are presented here. So you can see from the top magnitude to the lowest one. Just tapping on here on the upper left area, in that area of the display, I just tapped with my finger, and I asked the device to show me the information, the data, in a different way, the way that is known as last events. So these are the last 8 events, despite they are not organized by magnitude, they are not organized by distance, but they are organized by the arrival time, the time as they arrived to the server. So in the top row, we have the really last events. So today, that is the 13th of May, at 10:59 UTC, this event occurred with managed one, etc. So by the moment, that's all. We can now be up and running with the device. Additionally, I show you if I want to turn back to the previous way of data presentation mode. I just tap on the upper right corner, and the black square tells that data are downloading now from the system, and here they are. They are sorted by magnitude, descending, and first of all, we have all red colored. It means they are alarmed events. Finally, I show you again from this situation. I mean that the device now is attached to the server, is in an idle mode because there is no download activity by the moment. We have pausing now for the 15 minutes that we saw before. Okay, in that moment, we can invoke just tapping down in the center down the system menu again. So there are two ways of invoking the system menu. This one that I have done right now from an idle situation of the device, just tapping on the center down of the screen. Another way is to reboot the system, and just after the reboot, in the very first moments, in the very first 5 seconds of the rebooting, I just tap whatever I want on the display, and I go here in the system menu. What finally can we do in the system menu that we have not done yet? Okay, we have configured all the parameters. We don't want to reset the configuration. We don't want by the moment to invoke the GPS because we have already declared the home position. I mean the position where we are. But if we want, if the GPS module is installed, we could invoke this module, the GPS module. I invite you to see a specific video that will show you how to manage this. We can exit from this menu, and the device will reboot automatically. We can manage here the sounds. So now the sounds are the beep only. What does it mean, beep? Beep are the short sounds that came whenever I touch the screen. Other options are the alarm only. The alarm is the siren that I told to you. Or all sound off. It means no kind of sound will be raised anymore. So all sound on. It means that both the beeps and the alarm sound could be raised. Again, beep only. Again, alarm only. So I leave here. Stand by to shut down the device to power it off. So now we can see what does it mean to have enable the sound alarming. So now he is rebooting now, touching the Demo 2 network again. So we wait for the data to be downloaded, to be parsed from the device. And now we can see the proceeding. All is green, so it means that, okay, you heard the siren. This is let me say, the small siren that shows us, advises us about an alarmed situation.